Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Haylou Moripods. The Haylou Moripods come in a small white box. There is a product picture on the front and product information on the sides, which is also present on the back. In the box, you'll get a user manual, USB Type-C cable, and Haylou Moripods. In terms of appearance, Moripods headphones offer 4 colors to choose from: charging organizer, simple and unique shape, very recognizable, and is frosted texture. Headphones with a semi-in-ear design, small and delicate, were solid, followed by very good workmanship, especially the texture of the matte surface hit the dynamic light surface. The look and feel are very good. Charging case is still the mainstream magnetic adsorption design. Take out and put back the headphones are very convenient. When the headset is put back into the charging case and taken out again, it can automatically remember to connect back, so there is no need to pair up again and repeat the operation. In addition, the built-in battery capacity of the charging case 310 mAh, with the use of 24 hours of long battery life, as well as by the ultra-low power consumption of the chip. A single battery life can reach about 6 hours. In consideration of comfort, the headset also has IPX4 level waterproof, can prevent sweat, rain spray damage to the headset components, thus easily face a variety of daily life waterproof demand. When a new pair of Haylou headphones comes out, it's usually something to be excited about. The brand really delivers consistently good models, which definitely includes the Haylou Moripods. Criticisms here are really only with missing additional features like wireless charging or the lack of a volume control. But to be honest, a pair of headphones does not have to offer everything for the price, as long as the rest is right. It certainly is, because I really like the sound, even if I miss a bit of bass in the semi-in-ears. Support for the aptX adaptive Bluetooth codec is also pleasing, as it means you can be sure the headphones will have low latency across many different devices. Likewise, the microphones are somewhat good, so you can use them well in video calls and phone calls. You can't go wrong here for the price, and I can only recommend the Moripods.